creative minds, Rocket World here, and it's about to be a banger. Yeah. All right, guys, I welcome you on this tutorial. I welcome you all on board, okay? Because you're about to be the future millionaire. You don't even know it, like you don't know it. Because, guys, do you know what it means to make these and be creative? Like I say, the only way, right? The only way to make money in this our economy is by learning a skill, and you're about to do that because I have used this to make money. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, tell me the truth, have you seen all these designs anywhere before apart from my own channel? No, you haven't, because nobody makes it like I do. Nobody is better, but you can be better than me, okay? Because you're learning from me, and I expect you guys to be better. So we all want to be bead makers, want to make beaded jewelries, blah blah blah, and all of that, but do we really know the definition of beads? Come close, let me tell you. All right, guys, let's define beads. Now, beads are small decorative objects, typically with holes for threading. Okay, and they're used for different decorative purposes. All right, like making jewelries, making bags, clothes, so on and so forth. Like, we have a wide range of things you can literally use beads to make. It all just depends on your creativity. Okay, your mind, your hands, what can they do? Like, do you know what it means to be different? Now, in every of my events I go to, I'm always looking different. Like, these are beads, bro. These are beads. These are beads, okay, made from here and with my hands. Okay, now I literally look different in every event I go to. I kid you not, because I'm just gonna say, ah, okay, you're going for an event, look different. What has people not seen before? And boom, I just make something good. That is it. I make something so fine. And when I get to the event, they'll be like, okay, you look good. You rock it. I'm like, okay, that's me. That's me. Okay. So it's a thing of joy when you're able to make your own jewelries, your own bags, because that's what I do for myself. That is one advantage of learning this skill. You'll be able to make jewelries and bags. You'll be able to make like literally anything you want to make. Okay. But you have to be creative. Okay. Now, the good thing about learning how to make jewelries is that every mistake can be a design. Okay, you can be making something and you make a mistake, and boom, it's a design. Like this jewelry, for instance. This jewelry, for instance. Okay, I was making a particular kind of design and I made a mistake, and I saw, oh, okay, this mistake looks better than what I was making. I decided to make it like this. Be creative, darling, and I assure you, you are going to be one of the most successful bead makers in this life. I kid you not. One thing I will need from you is to not miss any part of any video, because you have to learn, okay? And you have to be creative, because if you're not creative, you cannot be successful in this business. You have to be really creative to learn how to do these things, okay? You cannot just learn everything in a day, but I trust you. I trust you guys, okay? I'm putting my hope on you guys for you to learn, all right? So, guys, we have to get started. What do you think? What do you think? Ah, Rocket World, you can play for Africa. I play a lot now. That's how you get customers. You play, okay? So I'm very, very sure, and I'm 100% sure that you guys are going to make me proud, because you need to focus. Focusing is one thing. If you're not focused, you cannot learn anything. All right, because I'm going to make these tutorials as easy as possible, okay, so that you can learn. But you have to focus. Put your mind there. Let your mindset be straight. Forget about anything you're thinking. If you want to be creative and if you want to make different designs of beads, beaded jewelries, you need to be focused. Okay, you need focus. Focus is what you need. If you're not focused, you're not going to achieve anything. All right, and you have to be patient. Don't say, oh, I've learned one design, boom, 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 oh, I'm done learning. Watch every video. It's very important. Watch every video, because this has been put to teach you and train you guys. Watch every single video. I can just decide to be stingy. I'm like, oh, I'm not holding any tutorial. Okay, let me just be making all the money. But bro, the sky is so big for everybody to make money, because we are going to have our own customers and clients. All right, that is why I'm literally helping people and I'm teaching you. Okay, so please stay tuned and let's get the party started. Yes, it's a party. It's a training and it's a party. All right, guys, let's get to it. So, guys, we have different kinds of beads. All right, these beads you're seeing, they are all not the same names. Like when you go on buy beads and it's like, oh, I want to buy beads, they're going to ask you, what type of bead do you want to get? So, guys, we have plastic beads, we have glass beads, we have wooden beads, acrylic beads. We have a lot of beads. Now, I'm going to give you guys an assignment. Go and look for the types of beads. These are seed beads. Okay, these little things you see on my fingers, these are seed beads. Okay, all right, these are glass beads. Okay, these These are glass beads. All right. And these are pearl beads. Okay, we have a lot of beads. Okay, there are a lot of designs I've made that I'm not bringing out here to show you guys. Okay, but as we go on, you're going to see a lot of beads and what can be like. You can literally use these beads to make anything. These seed beads you're seeing, you can literally make them to make jewelries. Okay, you can use them to make anything, but if you use it to make bag, you're going to sleep in that bag. Okay, just joking. So guys, learning how to make these are not difficult. I just need you to put your mind and focus on what I'm going to teach you. Trust me, it's as simple as ABC. Okay, but be creative. I need you guys to be creative. Like, it's a thing of joy. I am teaching you guys, and you guys will turn out to, like, I'm literally going to see that you guys are making, because you guys are going to send me videos of whatever you've been learning and new designs you're having. Okay, so guys, stick with me. Okay, that's it for this episode. So stick with me. In our next episode, I'll be showing you guys the things, the equipment, the most important, like the important equipment, the instrument you're going to be needing to make these beads. Okay, which you have to get for yourself. All right, so guys, it was nice. It was nice on this episode. I'm enjoying myself. I don't know about you, darlings, but I'm enjoying myself. So, guys, see you on the episode 2. Bye, guys. Mwah.